Look.
You can see it.
Now there's a little corn dog.
No, no, no.
No, no, no!
Oh, not so loud, silly.
Shake
your head no at him and say no. See if he'll do it. Say no, 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 Riff.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
You do it. You do it. No, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why aren't you doing it today? Because you know I want you to?
He doesn't do that and that.
No, 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 no. You do it. Is she being crazy?
I think that I will start with this and
I'm going to get your sister.
Mama, baby, tiny corn dog.
Oh my goodness. Hi, sister.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
Good.
Who's coming to play today?
Isabella!
What are you going to do?
Going to go up.
Cool. It's pretty hot outside, huh? You excited? Couldn't
Yeah.
tell. Couldn't tell.
I couldn't tell.
Did you have a good day at school?
No.
No.
Yes.
I thought so.
No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes.
Bye.
This is an apple.
River.
Mom, show that me again.
Show it at you again. I thought maybe I'd catch River going, no.
Please, Mom, please, can you turn it at me again?
Sure.
This is an apple. It makes you nice and healthy. And it's crunchy.
Anything else?
This is a chip.
What does it do for you?
Not really healthy, but crunchy and yummy. This is called a corn dog. It's healthy for you, and I love it. I eat a lot, and do you hear that crunching of the apple? See? You're gonna have to
Did you
hear
say
the
mum, 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 mum?
What?
River, did you say mum, 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 mum?
Mama.
Mama, mama, mama. Mama wants you to shake your head no.